Hi everyone, Han Magdada, Narim Sabe Kumar, Allies, SK na mayam pong anak from Zari. Ay samak hojik professional actor ang mo Nigeria. Ay samak Mami Sangay High Institute asida art acting tamsari. Course asida highlight tong uyaba. Ay ngonda acting skills yang nahingat hankiba drastic improvement la hankiba sing. Namely, Raski Makal Singh, coordination and improvisation, concentration and imagination improvement techniques, vocal scaling, dialogue delivery, intonation, amadi personality development, asina sing basinasi. Acting ki variations, haibati, realistic acting, amadi naturalistic acting, ani kenaba. The difference between how to act in front of camera and how to act on stage. Haibana sing basingasi, yamna kupna, waja singna, takpi tambi. Acting is a very glamorous profession. So guys, if I can, you too can. With hard work, dedication, commitment, and discipline. Maramasina, adonsu, versatile oiba, professional actor ama oigi haina khanbiragadi. Please do visit and get enrolled yourself for a bright, promising acting career. Always remember, acting can be learned, taught, and perfected rather than inborn talent. Aroibada, mayam nungsibiyu, support tabiyu, amadi encourage tabiyu. Positive oiba suggestions amadi feedback sing mayam dagi taram na woksari. So guys, please click the like button, subscribe, and the notification button. Unumakpu koramjali.